Right.
I don't know. I'm gonna poke you in the eye.
It's okay. Oh, dang, you're doing way easier than I am. Just one more layer of skin.
It won't. It won't. Oh!
Is it good? Is it good?
I think so.
I think it's good.
Now what?
I don't know. Is
Do
it,
you just leave that there?
I don't know. Try sticking the needle through, like, more, and then...
Don't! The needle's still hanging. You can't, because it'll stick in your neck.
Okay, what?
It's sticking way out the back.
That's awesome. It doesn't even hurt that bad. I just gotta leave it here, I think. Maybe the hole open up a little more, and then you have to stick the earring through.
Me?
Yeah. Because I can't do it because I'll go sideways and stuff. That's pretty cool.
Did you videotape the whole thing?
Yeah, I'm still videoing.
Oh gosh.
I may about twist it.
Careful, because you're poking your...
I'm not poking myself.
Don't.
We gotta do it fast because I think these things heal.
You mean poke this in fast?
Yeah.
I don't know if I can.
It'll be okay. I won't feel it.
I can't see. I can't see. Oh,
Did it go through?
I don't know. I can't make it go when it goes up the wrong hole.
It'll be okay, I think. Did it go all the way through?
I can't find the back.
Just keep moving.
I can't find the back. There's a hole there.
I know. You gotta keep moving it around.
I can't. I can't.
Yeah, hurry.
Can't see. I can't, Josh.
Just keep
I can't.
Here, hold this.
Because I can't even see.
It's not very good with my left hand either.
No, I got my face. Is it videoing you this way?
Is it? Yeah. It is. I don't know if I'm going straight with it.
Don't.
It's okay. Yeah, it's bleeding. Can you see?
No, you're going crooked. I can't. I need light. I can't.
The skin breaks loud.
Crap.
It's okay if you make another hole.
No, it's going. If I do. It's hurting.
Your jaw's like moving.
Stop.
Oh, that's funny. I thought that went through, didn't it?
No, not even close.
Went through some skin.
It's hurting, isn't it?
It's okay. I can feel it moving.
Huh?
I can feel it moving.
It's like right there, but it won't go through.
Just keep pushing. You want to get the cucumber? I mean, whatever thing it is. Probably be easier if you grab that. Get through?
No. Oh.
I think I felt it go through.
It's making me really sad.
It's okay.
No, it's not.
It doesn't even hurt. It went through. It didn't?
Yes.
Can you put the back on there?
You're gonna have nightmares now. I don't know what it is. Is it rubber?
I think that's what I put on this. Yeah.
Oh, don't look.
Don't worry.
It's in.
There, that side.
Is it
And
even?
that side. It looks even. I like it.
Let me see. That one's really swollen.
It's okay. Well, I just got my ear pierced by my mom and me.
You weren't supposed to say my mom.
But it's okay.
It wasn't my mom. Really.
Deuces. It wasn't really my mom. It's my aunt.